exercise 11.3. Question number 1. Convert the following kilograms into grams and grams into kilograms. So first 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, and 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay, so here number 1, 30 kg 750 gram into gram. This we have to change into gram. So in question already 750 kilogram is there. So only we have to change this 30 kg into gram. So first we will write 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So we are having 30 kilogram equal to 30 multiplied by 1000 equal to 30,000 gram. So in question we are having 750 gram, that we will add. So 30,000 gram plus 750 gram equal to, we will get 30,750 gram. So this is our answer. Now number 2, 7,407 gram into kilogram. Okay, we have to change this gram into kilogram. So 1 kilogram equal to upon 1000 kilogram. So we are having how many kilogram? 7,407 kilogram equal to 7,407 upon 1000 gram. Sorry, kilogram. So 7,407 upon 1000. We have to divide, so we will write in a decimal. So how many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. So we will keep after decimal point how many digits? 3 digits. So 407. So 7.407 kilogram. So before the decimal point the digit is a kilogram, and after the decimal point the digits are gram. So here we will write 7.407 kilogram. So this is our answer. Now number 3, 70 kilogram 03 gram into gram. This we have to change into gram. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram, and we are having 70 kilogram equal to 70 multiplied by 1000 gram. So we will get 70,000 gram. In question we are having 3 grams, that we will add 70,000 gram plus 3 gram equal to 70,003 gram. This is our answer. Now number 4, 1903 gram into kilogram. Now 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So we are having 1903 gram equal to 1903 upon 1000 kilogram. So we have to divide this. So in decimal we will write. So down 1000 is there. So 1000 is having how many zeros? 3 zeros. So we will keep after decimal 1.903 kilogram. So our answer is 1.903 kilogram. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 1, 12 kg 13 gram equal to dash gram. So we have to convert this kilogram into gram. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 12 kilogram equal to 12 multiplied by 1000 gram equal to 12,000 gram, plus in question we are having 13 gram. So we will get 12,013 gram. So our answer is 12,013 gram. Number 2, 20 kilogram equal to dash gram. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 20 kilogram equal to 20 multiplied by 1000 equal to 20,000 gram. So our answer is 20,000 gram. Number 3, 6895 gram equal to dash kilogram and dash gram. So 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So we are having 6895 gram equal to 6895 upon 1000 kilogram. So this we will write in decimal. So equal to 3 zeros are there. So after decimal point we need a 3 digits. So 895. And before decimal point we will write 6. So 6.895. So before the decimal point is a kilogram. So 6 kilogram and 895 gram. So we will write here 6 kilogram 895 gram. So number 4, 12,025 gram equal to dash kilogram and dash gram. So 1 kilogram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So we are having 12,025 gram equal to 12,025 upon 1000 kilogram. So we will write this decimal in decimal. So 1000 is having 3 zeros. So after decimal point we will need 3 digits. So 0, 2, 5, and before we will write, before decimal point we will write 12. So 12.025 kilogram. So before the decimal point is the kilogram. So 12 kilogram and 25 gram. Now question number 3, fill in the blanks box with greater than or equal to sign. Number 1, 2 kilogram 516 gram dash 2516 gram. Okay, so we have to come to know which one is greater or equal to. So this first we will convert into kilogram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kg equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 gram. So 2000 gram. In question we are having 516 gram. 516 gram. So equal to 2516 gram. And this side also we are having 2516 gram. So both are equal. So we will write here equal to sign. Number 2, 6070 gram dash 6 kilogram 500 gram. So first this we will convert into kilogram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 6 kg equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 gram equal to 6000 gram. In question we are having 500 gram. So 6500 gram. So here 6070 gram and 6500 gram. So which one is greatest? Yes, 6500 gram. So this is greater. Now number 3, 1 kg 80 gram and 108 gram. So this we will change into gram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So here also 1 kg is only there. So we will add 1000 gram plus 80 gram equal to 1080 gram. Here 1080 gram is there. Here 108 gram. So which one is greater? 1 kg 80 gram is greater. Number 4, 909 gram and 1 kg. So this we will convert into gram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So here 909 gram, here 1000 gram. So which one is greater? 1 kilogram is greater. Number 5, 6 quintal 500 kilogram 900 gram. So first this we will convert. 1 quintal equal to 100 kilogram. So 6 quintal equal to 6 multiplied by 100 kilogram equal to 600 kilogram. And here we are having 500 kilogram and 900 gram. Here 600 kilogram, here 500 kilogram, 900 gram. So which one is greatest? 600 kilogram